Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Cynthia Damayanti. Registration number 205190035 from class 4A English Education. Well, at this time, I will present the results of my review journal entitled Learning English Using Multiple Intelligence Methods. First, I will present an abstract of my journal, namely Learning English Using Multiple Intelligence Methods. This research was conducted with the aim of describing the use of multiple intelligence methods in learning English in international schools, which focus on learning strategies and learning activities. The case study method is the method used to examine. This case revolves about learning strategies and activities of learning English using multiple intelligence in international schools. Data obtained by observation and interviews. The results obtained from this study are that the English language learning strategy used in international schools refers to the development of multiple intelligence, which is supported by an adapted curriculum. Learning materials, human research, and learning process without leaving the national curriculum and combined with the international curriculum. English learning activities in international schools are designed to the development students. Multiple intelligence and language skills, speaking, writing, listening, reading, together with activities that are very varied, fun, and creative. Then we enter into the results or discussion of this journal. Okay, let's start it. First, language learning strategies English with the multiple intelligence methods. From the data obtained from observation and interviews, researchers get an idea that the learning strategies used by international schools in learning English using the multiple intelligence methods are as follows. A. Curriculum. Take advantage of the international curriculum developed in various developed countries to enrich the national curriculum. The national curriculum is KTSP of the National Education Agency, which has been modified to open up more space for efforts to generate student creativity based on the multiple methods. B. Theory. The material used for teaching is material taken from various sources other than the main source in the form of textbooks and is related to the learning concepts contained in the curriculum and the multiple intelligence methods used. C. Human research. Teachers and academic staff with level educational backgrounds from linear disciplines who agree to develop the vision and mission of the schools. The teacher is equipped with the understanding that the teacher is a facilitator to support the development of all abilities and creativity of students and the real needs of the student and the correct educational goals. D. Learning process. Curriculum material accompanies draft activities that are oriented towards interactivity, creativity, and joy by utilizing learning facilities in the room or indoor and outside or outdoor. Give special attention in addition to the cognitive or conceptual aspect or emotional and psychomotor habilitation. Second, English learning activities with the multiple intelligence methods. Effective aspect of attitude and or practice and detailed illustration of learning activities that integrate the development of students, language skills, and multiple intelligence are as follows. A. Linguistic intelligence. Learning activities designed to improve linguistic intelligence in the form of essay, poetry, journalism, and lecturers. B. Intelligence logical mathematical. This intelligence develops the ability to count, add up, hypothesize, and think logically. C. Spatial intelligence. This intelligence is the ability to think in three dimensions. Jobs that require this intelligence are fishermen, skippers, pilots, painters, and architects. D. Physical intelligence. Kinesthetic. This intelligence is used to manipulate objects and train physical abilities as a respiration or realizations of the under intelligence. A. Musical intelligence. This intelligence serves to maintain the memory of the information reserves and trains one logic. If interpersonal intelligence. This intelligence is used to construct and this intelligence to understand and relate to other people effectively. This intelligence requires harmony between the physical and the mind, provide accurate perceptions for planning. And G. Deterrence intelligence. This intelligence is very useful for students to recognize, appreciate, and preserve the objects around them, but inanimate and living things. Okay, enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.